Good morning. I'm finally ready.
Finally.
We're going to go grab some breakfast and then we're going to go to an art auction today.
Poor people's art auction.
Yeah, under $500. So that's in around our range. So,
yeah. So,
do you want to do my outfit of the afternoon? Since I have multiple.
oh, okay. Let's do the multiple first outfit of multiple.
This is the half day outfit.
Half day.
Okay, so I have on my skirt from Ann Taylor Loft, which I got for like $10. I have on a sleeveless white tank from Old Navy. I have on my Tommy Hilfiger sandals. I have, see my sandals and my toes. So, and then I have my Celine Dion crossbody bag. I put on my earrings that I wore on Embarkation Day, my watch.
She moves way too fast for me to keep up, so.
My bracelets. And then I put a flower in my hair today just to look festive. What do you got on, babe?
Shorts and a t-shirt.
He doesn't do his outfit.
Shorts and a t-shirt, that's it. A Captain Finn t-shirt. And actually the same shorts I was wearing yesterday. Yeah, same shorts as yesterday, but the good news is I did change my underwear. We just bought art.
Guy's Burger. I'm having a ringer with everything, and I got ketchup for my fries. Rafa, what are you getting?
I had a Guy's Burger too, the ringer with, I don't know, everything. Onions and mushrooms and more onions.
And we're going to wash it down with Angry Orchard.
That's right. Angry Orchard. And this view is not too bad.
Yeah.
and blue skies.
Shake it, shake it, shake it, baby, now. Shake it, shake it, shake it, baby, now.
Lost my wife and girlfriend somewhere along the way. I'll be looking for Reed when they pull that gate. Yeah, I'm hoping that judge ain't blind. Amarillo by morning.
Day 3, pillow talk. Technically, this is like night 3.
So it's day 3 of the cruise. So it's Tuesday.
So what did we do today?
We got invited to an art auction.
And we ended up getting 4 pictures. Then we went to lunch at Guy's Burger.
We did have Guy's Burger
And
today,
what
our
was
first trip.
really cool on the table that we sat at was a map of Southern California.
Where we live.
And right on the map was our city. Big letters.
It's not a big city, but it was like right there in the middle of this map. Guy's Burgers was good.
It was good.
Yeah, it was good. The French fries are.
It's a lot. It's a big meal, so.
So be hungry. Oh, let's talk about our little emergency in the cabin this morning.
Let's talk about. There's a song, but I'm not gonna say it. Anyway, yes, I was blow drying my hair. I brought my own little mini portable blow dryer. So I blow drying my hair, and it works good. It's a good blow dryer. It works good, really good. but it works too good. Because what happened?
It set the heat alarm off. So
Oh my goodness. So we had an alarm going off in our room, had to open the door.
as soon as the heat alarm went off, they sent somebody
they
down
sent someone down.
from the bridge because, so anyway, if you're not familiar, they have heat sensors in every cabin on a cruise ship. It's not just a smoke detector.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm tired.
It actually detects heat. That was our excitement this morning.
We had dinner at Cucina
del Capitano, which is the Italian restaurant. The service and the staff
Fantastic.
were fantastic.
Fantastico.
Yeah, they were fantastic. Just the customer service was great.
Yeah, and then we're going to Grand Cayman tomorrow.
Grand Cayman tomorrow.
We have to tender, so we have our assignments for tendering. Which, you being platinum, we get early
We
tendering.
get priority tendering, which is cool. So anyway, we will report back with you tomorrow morning, I'm sure, before we get on the tender. And we'll report from you on the tender and be recording all the adventures all day tomorrow. And then tomorrow night we'll give you a report on the resort that we go to.
Right.
And let you know how that was. So until tomorrow, as they say in Italy,
Ciabella. What? That means bye, pretty.
yeah, that wasn't quite what I was
What are you
thinking.
going to say? Ciao. Arrivederci.
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 That's right. Give me a kiss.
Oh, sorry. I love you.
I love you.
Mwah. Good night.
Good night. Arrivederci.